This is day one of IBW. We are all set to leave and अभी हम लोग होटल से निकल रहे हैं. पहले तो हम लोग ब्रंच कर लेंगे कुछ तो बिकॉज ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं खाया, तो सीधा ब्रंच करके हम लोग निकल जाएंगे इवेंट के लिए. सो यप, सी यू अराउंड. स्टे ट्यून. वीडियो स्किप मत करना, पॉज मत करना, कुछ मत करना, लगे रहना. यू विल बी सीइंग अमेजिंग फुटेजेस फ्रॉम हियर ऑन of the IBW event. Ciao. So yeah, this is the box office and here is where we need to park because we were not allowed inside as we carried general day pass. And we started looking at the parking lot. I was just gazing at these bikes, eye-gasming. Before entering the event itself, we were getting a glimpse of such wonderful bikes. ये देखो, ये देखो बस, ये क्या है. और ये तो एक लेवल है. इसके आगे उधर एक लेवल है पार्किंग का, उधर अलग सेट ऑफ गाड़ी है. तो अभी हम लोग
गजब बेइज्जती है.
पार्किंग किया है, मैं और भानु. दिस इज भानु. अभी इवेंट के तरफ निकल रहे. ऑब्वियसली इवेंट के अंदर हाँ 1200. ये देखो 1200. ऐसे चलते ही रहेगा, कंटिन्यूसली चलते रहेगा.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के. मैं
गाइस, स्पेशली बाइकर्स, आपको घर जाना है, आपके खुद के घर. सो यू कैन गो बिकॉज IBW इज वेलकमिंग ऑल द होम बाइकर्स. बॉय
चले एक काम कर, 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह.
guys, what is this? I don't even know how to explain this bike, man. क्या बाइक है यार, क्या बाइक है. सुपर एडवेंचर 1290. So console, see how it looks, guys. How massive it looks. 27 liters on this, the tank size. There is one tank over here, and then over here one, and on the other side the other one. So this is 890 Adventure. Look at how this looks, man. This looks massive, right? And the infamous Super Duke 3090. This is there in Navi Mumbai. I forgot the name of the famous Instagram and YouTube star. He has this and he rides it like a maniac in a very professional way, of course, but yeah, this is what he has. And finally, Duke 890, right? And then custom Motul customized 390 Duke. I mean, amazing, guys. Amazing. I am short of words. So, this is like proper orgasm to bike lovers. Hello guys, so next we are on the Virtual Miles Museum. So here we will be seeing ESP, we will be seeing Hero, all of the vintage collections, the REs, the British REs, etc. So I'm excited to show you all of the collection. Here we go. That's a Butch Magnum MK2. That's a Hero Majestic. That's a SD Colt 60. And then we have the Hind Cycles Limited, made in India. Java over here. And then this is something called as Villas. I'm not sure of this brand though. Then we have Cadisco. And then we have Victoria. And then on the other side starts the big bikes. The Enfields. Enfield Crusader. Look at this beauty, guys. Look at this beauty. And then we have Enfield 200. And then we have this is an I'm not sure which Enfield is this, but it looks rustic and big. And then we have the moped, the infamous moped. And then here is the Suzuki. Looks funky, in my honest opinion, right? And then we have the Explorer. And then we're back to the Prince 150 of Royal Enfield. क्या था ये? What the hell was this? Paul Tyrrell showing his prime. This is, I'm sure this is nothing for him, right? Like walk in the garden sort of a thing for him. But for us viewers, it was a blissful and such an exciting moment with that dubstep music and all. Whoa, we were completely overwhelmed. Here is my sister Banu. What did you feel, Banu?
Paul Terrace was riding, but I was feeling the thrill of it. Oh my God, I've not seen someone fly like that on a motorcycle. Very exciting.
Crazy scenes, why crazy. We more action coming up, so you'll be seeing all of it. You're not going to be missing a single thing. So here is POV with Venu, and it's your view through my eyes. So stay tuned, guys. एक मैं चीज पूछना चाहता हूँ. Can you describe Kafila in like brief or maybe one or two sentences? What does Kafila mean for you?
ये सवाल मुझे भी पूछना. ठीक है. सो सिंस आपने शायद वो कैप्चर नहीं किया तो मैं बोल देता हूँ. इन्होंने क्वेश्चन पूछा है कि व्हाट इज काफिला इन वन और टू लाइंस फॉर मी. सो इट इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ ट्रैवलर्स where they do not have any purpose or destination, but they do not mean to harm the community or the people surrounding them. So enjoy करना है, but अगर आपको बाइक राइडिंग में या ट्रैवल में मजा आता है तो उस चीज से आप किसी और को तंग मत करो. You know what I mean? To be a responsible person first, then a responsible rider.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Thank you.
So that's Kafila for you. That's Anirudh ji for you. Thank you so much. Nice meeting you.
Same here,
Pleasure.
same here. Hope to see you soon, guys.
So hi guys, so now we have reached to a section where there are many bikes. Obviously, Indian Bike Week में bike नहीं रहेगा तो और क्या रहेगा?
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक?
But these are all modded bikes. By looking at them, you wouldn't even understand what is the base model of this bike. For example, you see what I'm talking about? that's why. So let's start. याद है?
जब मराई है मोहब्बत में तो रोता क्यों है? जब मराई है मोहब्बत में तो रोता क्यों है? मेरा रो इसलिए ना कल फिर मरा रही है। कैसे भूल सकते हैं आप? पानी है क्या? पानी है।
So पहली बात तो ये किस टाइप की बाइक है, व्हाट इज द बेस, व्हाट इज दिस बाइक ऑल अबाउट फ्रॉम एक्सेलेंसी कस्टम्स, और द कोर मेंबर फ्रॉम एक्सेलेंसी जिन्होंने ये ब्रांड बनाई है, हम उनके साथ है. भाई आप बताएं.
So guys, this motorcycle is the base model is a 535 GT Continental 2014 model है. The bike is basically dedicated to the African rhino called Barak in Kenya, Alpajetta. और अगर आप ध्यान से देखो इस बाइक का नाम भी हमने राइनो रखा है. And you even see the seat पे भी African rhino लिखा है. So this is all about the motorcycle, and थोड़ी बहुत description यहाँ पे भी लिखी हुई है. Screenshot लेके देख लेना जिसने देखनी है. So this is the motorcycle. It's custom built from scratch. Thank you.
So guys, next bike, I have no idea, but it looks rusty like hell, है ना? And then we have this one. This is Gorilla 450. I got to understand that because it's written over here literally. But yeah, look at how it looks, man. This is my another friend which I made yesterday in my resort. He's also the owner of Excellency Customs. So let's have a short talk with him with regards to this bike which I showed you just now. So yeah, Vajay.
Hey guys, how are you doing? How are you doing, brother? Good to
Thank
catch you up.
Yep.
Let me give you a small intro of the bike we made. This is a custom Royal Enfield, was a classic 2019. But this, to my knowledge, is the first Royal Enfield bike which has all the engine mounting based off rubber. And if I was to show you a little close-up of the mountings, what you see here, this is the engine rubber-based mount, the second rubber-based mounting, the third is in the front, and fourth on the top. It's all rubber-based. And the intent here is to primarily see if we can are we able to reduce some vibrations in the engine, and to a certain level, yes, we're very happy with the result we're seeing.
I have no words to say over here, but Excellency Customs guys, you know where to go, you know what you get for the price that you pay, and you know how it looks. It doesn't look like a classic. Again, let me reiterate that for you. And yeah, most important of all, which I heard yesterday from Paji, is that all these bikes which are custom made are purely rideable on Indian roads, guys. On Indian roads. Note that point clearly.
They're not only showstoppers, they're rideable machines. You have to ride them. So we rode down from Pune to Panchgani yesterday, and we're doing 110 kilometers per hour on this bike. So the feeling is just absolutely fantastic.
Absolutely blissful talking with you, Paji.
Likewise, cheers. Follow our brother.
Thank
Much
you.
love.
Thank you. Love to you as well. Guys, what is this? What is this? Look at that tire. That beefy tire, man. I mean, I'm sure it's a 360. It got to be 360. Let's look at the specs. So what it says is that the builder's name is Shrikant Narsingh Dalvi. Custom house is Maratha Motorcycles, and the bike name is Outlaw. It's a Royal Enfield Thunderbird 500, guys. This is how it looks.
Got it. I don't flex, I'm success. I don't flex, I'm success. I don't flex, I'm success. Effortless, see I got it. I don't flex, I'm success. I don't flex, I'm success. I don't flex, I'm success. Effortless, see I.
What about this one? This is called Burak. Again from Maratha Motorcycles. Built on a Royal Enfield Classic 500. Does this even look like a Classic 500, guys? No one could even guess from a long mile that this would be built on a Classic 500. It's called Burak. So you might have seen a lot of Suzuki Intruder, right? But not this one. This is built on a base model of Suzuki M1800, right? And the name of the bike is Intruder X. We just heard the firing of this one. Look at this beef tire, man. Beef of a tire. So, we met the infamous Srini Ganesh. Srini बहुत सुना है भाई. Internet पे, YouTube पे, we've seen a lot of videos. I've seen a lot of videos, a lot of reviews from Srini. And we have the man himself.
I'm not infamous. I'm not even famous. I'm just influenced.
You are very famous.
I'm just influenced.
He's being very modest, guys. He is famous. Trust me on this one. Oh, okay. I wanted to ask you, IBW, when you shifted from Goa to Panchgani, and here we are, we have lots of things happening, and then you had your session right now, talk session in the Big Trip room.
Yes.
What's your experience? How has it been until now? What are you looking forward to in this event?
The location might have shifted from Goa to Panchgani, but I had already made my reservations in Goa, so I didn't cancel those. So I rented a car and I drove all the way from Goa to Panchgani. So because I wanted to do justice to my friends also, I'm going back tomorrow. So I will be only attending one day, that is today. And it is quite amazing to see so many aspiring content creators out there and already well-established content creators. There's so much more to learn from them. It is just so joyous event, I would say. I love it.
Thank you so much, Srini. Actually, to be very honest with you, I saw Abhinav's videos a lot.
Yes,
and
yes,
Abhinav ke video se I got rerouted to you, and from there on I started following you on Instagram, and that was it for me. I was like, I'm a Srini boy now.
Because not many people know this, Abhinav was the one who pushed me towards content creation first. He only told me that start a YouTube video of your own. So then I did, and I followed up, and I didn't let go of anything. So I owe everything to Abhinav Bhatt. That's why.
We've enjoyed your Leh series a lot, Srini, and it's been a complete pleasure to watch those series. What was your experience there? Just 1 or 2 lines.
Leh experience?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, Leh.
That's what is classic Srini, guys.
It was quite amazing because those terrains just bring out the best in you, and you can't imagine that there are so many things that a content creator plans, but when you see the vast majestic mountains, your mind just goes blank. You just are in awe of their presence because you're a tiny speck within an indifferent universe. So that's about it. It's pretty good.
Thank you so much, Srini. Thank you for your time and everything that you do on social media. We are literally inspired.
It's all in good spirits. Just have some spirits in you first.
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली थैंक यू सो मच श्रीनी थैंक यू
Thank you so much.
गाइस रात में देखो इंडिया बाइक कैसे दिखता है
Make some noise for Blackjack!
गाइस अभी हम लोग खड़े हैं महाराष्ट्र बिगेस्ट शोरूम बिगेस्ट टू व्हीलर डीलर सुपर बाइक डीलर बुलेट राजा पे एंड आपको मैं दिखा दूं क्या बाप बाप गाड़ियां हैं सो वी आर एट बुलेट राजा महाराष्ट्र बिगेस्ट सेकंड हैंड एंड super bike dealer so we have all the sorts of bikes over here I just love